Well, you got to be both, really. I guess I'm more the dreamer of the pair of us, and she's the one that gets it done. If you're in a business, you've got to be a dreamer. And to stay in business, you've got to be a doer. We're looking forward to the show. The show is a combination of our vacation and our business need to learn about what's coming up.
And it's exciting. That's why I saw my first Swiss screw machine. It took me almost a year to convince him that we needed to get one. So, but I saw that piece of equipment and I said, that's what we ought to have. So, it took a lot of talking, but we got it. So you get a lot of information from several different vendors, and a lot of times they'll let you try something and you know, to see if it works. So that's a huge help for us. Being small, yeah, IMTS, that's it. We've been here. This will be I think our 20th time that we've been here. And we have yet to see a single site other than IMTS, so we don't know what Chicago has, I don't know.
Just wear some comfortable shoes.
Yes, there's a lot of walking. It's IMTS, don't dream it.
Do it.
Driving you and your crew to get your wheels turning. This is how we roll, where dreamers and doers connect.